see how you can create a button based template. So you click on this view icon, click on create template, enter a template name, select a category, enter a template language. I'm skipping the header as I don't want to send any image, video or document with the header, with the message, but the body is mandatory. So I'm having some fixed content in the text and some variables. So this body has only one variable, but you can add more than one by clicking this icon. So this would be basically fixed content, and this variable you can change when you're actually sending the message. Now Meta wants an example of what you're going to send here. You simply click on generate variables example field and then enter an example. Now in the footer I'm keeping it empty, and in button I'm going to add quick reply buttons. So I've added 3 quick reply buttons. Now as soon as the user clicks on this buttons, the message would come to our same WhatsApp API number, and we can possibly run a WhatsApp bot over this, and then click on submit for approval. The approval takes between 5 minutes to 2 working days. Until and unless it is approved, you'll see here pending state. You can refresh the page, or check back later. Once it is approved, it would basically show approved here. Thank you.